Hello and welcome back. Today I want to show you my RPG Maker MV and MZ database tool Pro. So if you ever worked with the database in RPG Maker, you will realize that you can't move around actors or items, and this tool will allow you to do this and also update references inside your maps and your database. So for example, if I create a new switch and it's called test, like for this example, and you see it's on position 1, and also give the player some weapons or items. So I give him a short sword, and you see the short sword is on the ID 1. And let's add another one. Let's give him an armor, and you see this is on position 2. And now you hit OK. Now you need to save your project, and you can open the database tool Pro. Now you click on Open Project Data, and now you select the data folder from your project. Open it, and now you can see all the things in your database in this little window. And you see the switch with test, which I created, is on position 1. And now I can move it, let's say, to 7 to test it. You can also use the move entry command or set it to an ID directly and hit move. And now you see it's on position 9. And you can also extend the database entries, say extend it to 30, and hit yes. And now you see you have more slots. But let's test these switches, the switch that we moved here. And also we had a weapon, longsword, which I also will put on number 7. And I will also put this on number 7. So with that we can check it in the RPG Maker. So press save. Get saved. You will receive a message from the RPG Maker and hit yes. And now you can check that we switch. If you edit it and see, it's not on ID 1 anymore, it's on ID 7, which is what it's supposed to do. And also the sword is on ID 7 and not on ID 1. It's the longsword, not the short sword. And it also works with armors and everything that you can find in the database. So it works for actors or anything which you can find here. It also works for troops and states, and you can basically easily move around anything, and also don't have to worry about if your project files and your maps won't get updated. So if you have bigger projects, you don't have to change it here and afterwards go through every map and apply the changes. It will be automatically updated, as you can see. There will be also created backups, and you can always go back. With every click on save, there will be created a backup from your data files, and you can always go back if you click on load backup, or select the backup, load backup. When you will receive a message, hit yes, and then you see this message again and hit yes again. And now you will see that everything is back to the state before you hit save. but I will encourage you to always create a backup before using this tool. It's an early access tool, so I'm pretty sure it's working fine, but there can always be some things that aren't working 100%. So please make a backup from your file from your project before using it, and just for your own safety, so you won't lose any progress on your project. There's also an important note that script calls and custom plugin commands are not automatically rewritten for safety reasons, because every project and plugin can handle IDs differently. So yeah, just to let you know, if you created items or anything else inside plugins, you have to still rewrite it manually. The RPG Maker MV and MZ Database Tool Pro is available on itch.io. You can find the link in the description. You can also join the Discord to enter giveaways, and this time I'm giving away the Database Tool Pro to 2 people, and all you have to do is join the Discord, check this message here in the giveaway channel, and that's it. Thanks for watching, and feel free to join the Discord if you have questions, feedback, or suggestions.